I am so excited. I'm doing a free online Zoom Q&A workshop with you guys. If you guys want to be a part of that, make sure you go on my website, subscribe, elianaghen.com, all the way at the bottom, put your email in. This email is going out tomorrow night. So if you are not subscribed by then, don't worry. If you're seeing this after tomorrow, I will be doing other free things, Zoom acting workshops, Q&As. So I'm going to be doing this one. Make sure you're subscribed to my website. That's where you guys will get all the info. I can't wait to be with you guys. Make sure you guys are there early. People will try it. A lot of people will get on. I only have 100 spots. So make sure you're subscribed. Be on that call early, and for whatever reason, if you can't get on, if the spots are filled up, I will be live streaming the entire thing on my TikTok, so don't worry.